Learn how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in less than 1 minute. Beginner to speed solver. Introduction. Ever wanted to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in less than a minute? I'm here to show you exactly how to do it with easy steps and pro tips. 2. Briefly showcase the end goal. A fast, fluid solve. 3. Mention the focus. Learning a structured method and tips for speed. Part 1. Basics of the cube. 1. Explain the structure of the cube, centers, edges, corners. 2. Clarify that centers are fixed, edges have 2 colors, and corners have 3. 3. Introduce the cube notation. U, up, D, down, L, left, R, right, F, front, B, back, and rotations. Part 2. Solving method. CFOP for beginners. Use the CFOP, cross, F2L, OL, PLL method. Simplify for beginners while hinting at advanced techniques for speed. Step 1. White cross. 1. Goal. Align all white edges with their centerpieces to form a cross. 2. Show how to match edges with their corresponding centers. Step 2. First 2 layers, F2L. 1. Pair edges and corners to solve the first 2 layers simultaneously. 2. Start with simple moves for beginners, then mention how practice makes F2L faster. Step 3. Orienting the last layer, OL. 1. Teach a 2-look OL. Solve the yellow cross first, then orient the yellow pieces. 2. Highlight common algorithms, like the soon, RURURU2R. Step 4. Permuting the last layer, PLL. 1. Explain how to move pieces into their correct positions using 2-look PLL. 2. Include algorithms like the T-perm, RURU, RFR2U, RU, RURF. Part 3. Speed tips. 1. Finger tricks. Practice finger movements for speed, e.g., U with the index finger. 2. Look ahead. Plan your moves while solving the current step. 3. Cube setup. Use a lubricated speed cube for faster rotations. Practice routine. 1. Break down daily practice. Day 1. Focus on solving the cross in under 5 seconds. Day 2. Master F2L using muscle memory. Day 3. Memorize OL and PLL algorithms. 2. Emphasize repetition and timing yourself. Conclusion and challenge. 1. Wrap up with encouragement. Now you have all the tools to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in under a minute. Practice every day, and soon you'll be impressing everyone. 2. Challenge viewers to post their best times in the comments. Optional. Advanced content tease, post credits. 1. Mention advanced techniques like full CFOP, ZBLL, and cube customization for those who want to get even faster.